Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. No, just kidding. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have a Stitch Fix to share with you guys. I am a little hyper. I told you guys before I do not like the pumpkin spice lattes. I don't like pumpkin spice anything. I don't like pumpkin flavored. However, I went to 7-Eleven today and they have like a pumpkin spice latte there, and I thought I'd try it because it was only $1. I thought, you know, it's $1. It can't be that bad. Let's just say I went back twice. I spent $2. I got 2 cups of pumpkin spice latte. Their pumpkin spice latte is so good. It's like, and it comes out of like a machine thing. So like, how can it be that good? I have no idea. But anyway, I am very hyper. So I just wanted to warn you that I'm a little hyper because I had a little much coffee. So I'm going to try to cool it down a little bit, try to settle it. So anyway, I do have some fun items to share with you guys today though, because I specifically asked for all tops. I have put on a little bit of weight. You guys will probably see in like the try on portion. So, but I'm not hating on it. Honestly, I used to hate myself when I would gain weight. I would be like, you know, very self-deprecating. Is that what it's called? I have no idea. But either way, I would like criticize myself for gaining a couple pounds and be happy when I lose a couple pounds. Now I'm starting to learn that you have to have body positivity, and that's okay. Our bodies are going to change. Our bodies are going to develop and grow. Our bodies, you're going to lose weight, you're going to gain weight, you're going to do all kinds of things in your life, and just be happy with the body that you have. So I have gained a little bit of weight, so you'll notice that. So that's why I did not ask for any bottoms, because I think that's where I'm getting all my weight, is at my booty. So anyway, let's get into this. So the first thing I want to talk about is Stitch Fix, how it works and everything, just in case is like this is your first Stitch Fix video, which if it is, I do apologize because like I said, I'm really hyper. So anyway, this comes with a prepaid envelope, so you can request your Stitch Fix as often as you would like for it to come. I typically choose when I want to have some new items in my collection, because I'm trying to build a nice kind of like a capsule wardrobe, but not really, because a capsule wardrobe is only specific things. I just want a wardrobe that I'm going to love every piece of item that I have in it. So you do get a self-paid envelope to send anything back that you don't like, so you don't have to worry about keeping things that you don't like, which is really important if you're like me, especially because you don't want to be keeping a bunch of things. Then they also send you like a little guide to show you all the items and how they can be paired with other items possibly in your closet, which is really cool as well, because if you're like me, I'm fashion deficient because I don't know how to do a lot of fashion stuff. I wear a lot of sweatshirts, so I'm okay with that sometimes. Then they also send you a personalized note along with the bill. So the bill is the fun part. So it will tell you the breakdown of all the prices on each item. I have mine set to where I don't get a high-end type of products. I get like anything that's 50 and below typically. Sometimes they will throw in an item here and there that's a little bit over 50, which I don't mind. And then if you decide to keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount, which is pretty cool. It is a $20 styling fee, but if you use my link, you get a $25 credit, so you'll get the styling fee waived, plus you'll have an extra $5 to spend at Stitch Fix. So, and that $20 does get applied towards your fix, so if you decide to keep even one item, you can use that towards it. So you might get a cute shirt out of the deal. So I like Stitch Fix. I think it's really fun. I have been enjoying it a lot lately, especially because like I said, I'm trying to figure out exactly what I want to keep in my wardrobe. So let's get into this before I chatter too much. So the first thing I want to show you is this gorgeous sweater. So this is cream, like a pinky rose, and then like the burnt, like a rusty orange, and then blue. This sweater is so super soft. It feels like butter, and it's not like itchy at all. It feels so good on. It feels very luxurious. I love the way the sweater feels. I think it's going to be a perfect fall sweater. I think it's going to be a perfect winter sweater, honestly. So I will be cutting these out. I hate these things in any kind of clothing, because I always buy the hangers that are like this, that have like the velvet on them, so that I don't have to worry about like them slipping off. So I always cut those things off. But anyway, this is a size medium. This is in the pink brand. This is the Gina Crew neck pullover, and it is so cute. I love the detail to it, how it's got like at the bottom here, like the material kind of turns up almost a little bit, like a little bit of a roll almost. I love the detail to it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So this is $44. So honestly, I feel like it's definitely worth that. It feels very high quality. It feels very soft and cozy. I can just see even the sleeves have that little bit of a roll detail. It's so cute. So I really like this sweater a lot. I love the thicker like horizontal stripes. I think that's really cute as well. This is kind of like in the season. I think like this style of sweater is in. I remember like when in the 90s, I was wearing a lot of those structure shirts. You guys remember those if you're from the 90s? And that's what it kind of reminds me of. It reminds me of like the structure style. So that I think I will definitely be keeping. The next thing here is from, who is this from? This is from Key West, West Key, sorry. This is a size medium. It's a really pretty, almost like an emerald green, but not really. It's a little bit more blue than it is green. And it's got these beautiful flower detail into it. It's a really cute sheer shirt. You definitely would want to wear something underneath of it. In the video, I did not have anything underneath of it except for a bra. So you could kind of see through it, but so like I was saying, you can kind of see through it, but you do you, boo. I mean, if you want to wear it with no shirt under, nothing else underneath of it, go for it. I think it's really cute. It does have like a longer in the back detail and then shorter in the front. It's got this like crossover, so it's like, what is that called? Twist top. I have no idea what it's called. Anyway, I just think it's really cute on. It feels very comfortable. I think it's a perfect fall shirt because like I said, you can layer it up. You can put a shirt underneath of it, put a sweater over top, throw in a cute little leather jacket on over top of it. It does have the button detail on the sleeves here, so it can be buttoned up or you can let it down and just have it unbuttoned. This is the Allen Surplice Roll Tab High-Low shirt. And they're calling this blue, so I guess it's blue. And this is $42. Again, it feels very high quality. I love the way this is made. I love how I love how good it looks on. It's very figure flattering, I think. So, especially because it covers my rump a little bit. So, I like that. I think that's very cute. The next thing I got is this one right here. This is by Mix, and this is a size medium. Look at this shirt, guys. It's got that mustard yellow that everybody is wearing right now. It's a really cute, thinner cardigan, and it's got like the more drapey style in the front here with the drapey pockets. I love the style of the pockets and everything. I love this color. I think you could wear it with lots of other colors underneath of it. I think you could put it in an orange shirt, a green shirt. You could wear a black shirt, anything. I think I wear it with a black shirt underneath, but you could wear it with anything you wanted to underneath of it. It's a more thinner quality, like I said. But again, it's good for the fall. I don't think this would be a sweater you'd be pulling or a shirt that you'd be pulling out in the winter because it's not going to keep you very warm. But it is so cute on. I love this shirt a lot. I think it's super duper cute. This is the, what did I say it was? Mix. This is Mix by 41 Hawthorne. This is the Martina Slub Knit, and it's in the shade Mustard. It's $38. Totally worth it for me, and I love this color. Like I said, this color is on trend for this fall. I think it's the more fall color. I've gotten a couple sweaters that are this color and I really love the sweaters. So anyway, I really like this. I think it's going to be a cute fall piece to wear with some boots and a pair of tight jeans. So definitely keeping this one as well. The next one is also a mustard color, they call it, but I don't think it looks mustard. You guys let me know if you think it looks mustard. So here is the shirt right here. So it's got these little flower details to it. It is got a little strap in the back, so it gives a little bit more detail to it. I like the color and everything, but to me this looks summery. Is it just me, or does this look like a summer shirt? I think it does. But this is, who is this by? Hang on. This is by Nine Britain, and this is a size medium. This is the Sylvia back detailed knit top, and it says mustard. It's $38. I really like the shirt, but I think it looks more summery. I think it looks like something very like fresh and fun. I don't think it looks very fall appropriate in my opinion, but it feels like it's really good quality. It's very, very soft. I think that you could wear this definitely by itself. You don't need to put a shirt underneath of it because it's not thin. As you can't see anything underneath of it. So I do think the quality to it's really good. I just think the color is not perfect for fall. I don't think this is a true mustard color. I think it's more just like yellow, like daisy yellow. You guys let me know. Do you think it looks daisy yellow or do you think it looks mustard? I think it looks daisy yellow. Anyway, now moving on to the last item I got. This is a dress by French Gray. I've gotten quite a few dresses by French Gray and I've liked all of them because they're so soft. They feel like t-shirt material. So this feels like a t-shirt material. It is a shorter dress. It does have like the little ties on the sleeves here. It's got the elastic waistband here, which I probably would like to put a belt on with it. I think it would look really cute with a thick belt or a chunky belt. I think that would look cute. This is in the size, I don't know where the size is. Medium. And this is an olive shade. So this is called the French Gray Alita Brushed Knit Dress Olive, $48. So like I said, everything should be 50 or under. So everything that I have here is under 50, which is really good that they stuck to my price range. I'm happy they did that because then it makes it almost more affordable to purchase everything in my opinion. So I love this dress though. I think it's perfect for the fall. Throw in a cute pair of tights and throw in a cute pair of boots with this, or in the spring. I think you can wear this in the spring too. I think this is almost a spring, summer, fall dress. I don't think it's a winter dress, but it's spring, summer, fall dress totally. So I really like this dress. I think it's really cute. The color definitely speaks more fall in my opinion though. So I love it though. I think it's really cute. So all in all, I like all the pieces. I just feel like the yellow shirt is a little too bright. I think it's a cute top, but I think it's not very fallish. Do you guys think so too, or no, is it just me? Anyway, so my total is $210. So if I decided to purchase all 5, I would say $52.50. So even if I decided I didn't want to keep that yellow top, it would be better to keep the top and get that better discount because you're getting it for free technically then, because the yellow top is $38. So you'd be getting a better discount if you kept everything. So I could, my phone. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys. Be quiet. All right. So you get a better discount if you do it that way in my opinion. So I do think it's better to purchase all 5 if you think that you could wear the other one. I know I would wear this shirt. I just don't think it's fall appropriate. So I could keep it and use it in the spring, or I could honestly still wear it in the fall and just like try to make it look fallish. So again, this would be really good for our trip coming up. We have a trip going to like one of the islands. I don't remember what they're at. St. Martin? Is that what it's called? That would be cute for there. So actually this would come in handy as well. So my order after that would be $157.50, and then after my $20 styling fee, it would be $137.50. So for $137.50, I could get all these items. So 5 items for $137. I don't think that's bad at all, in my opinion. I think that's a good deal. I'm getting a dress, 3 tops, and a cardigan. So how do you beat that? I think that's like Kohl's pricing. So in my opinion, this was a good fix. I think they did a fantastic job. The only thing, like I said, was the shirt. But now that I figured out I can wear it to our trip when we go to St. Martin, I think I'll wear it there. I think it's going to be perfect for there because it's going to be nice and warm. And this looks like a more tropical, fun shirt anyway. So perfect. Anyway, I'd love to know what you guys think of this fix. If you guys are interested, like I said, you can use my link and get $25 off. So I love Stitch Fix. I don't love everything they send me, so that's why it's important to definitely hold on to your envelope so you can send anything back that you don't want to keep. But I really do love Stitch Fix. I find that I keep almost every time lately. I've been keeping everything out of my fixes because they've done such a fantastic job on picking out items that are perfect for me and my body style, my body type. I will have to figure out my pant size so we can start doing pants again here soon. But anyway, I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.